Yes, good evening everyone. So in yesterday last class, we installed the DJANGO REST framework DRF. How to install the REST framework. In this, first I created one project with REST C1. Inside, main three topics are there: serialization, deserialization, and we have to do the validations. So first serialization. So yesterday we created a model serializers.py, admin.py, create super user, data will be there. Up to here we done. Models, serializers, admin. Start the server. Go to the D drive, CD, REST API 24th, CD without with REST C1, py manage.py, run server. Go to the admin panel, employees. 5 employees added manually. Okay, fine. Now the concept is, the first concept, serialization we have to do. Yesterday I am telling what is the meaning of serialization means. The employee model contains some objects, either single object or if you go through the all objects query set. This employee object is a one complex data type. This data type I have to convert it to Python dictionary, because once the dictionary is there, it is very easy to convert it to the JSON data. So complex types like model instance, single record, or query set to Python native data type like dictionary. That is the concept of serialization. We are converting one model instance to the Python dictionary is called as serialization. What is the reason for? To convert JSON will become very easy. Employee object to dictionary. Then it is very easy to convert to JSON. Very easy. How to do the serialization? So I have to convert employee object to Python native data type. Dictionary type I am converting. We are converting one employee object to Python native types dictionary. Go to the Python shell. D drive CD REST API 24th CD with REST C1 py manage.py shell opened. First read one single employee. How to read employee? From testapp.models import the model name is employee. Done. Now yesterday one more class we created, employee serializer. This class is responsible to convert your one employee object to Python dictionary. You won't do anything. Import this one. This class is available serializers.py. This is available in test app. So same story again, from test app dot serializers import employee serializer. ఒకటి normal class, ఒకటి serializer class. This class can be converted object to employee. First read one employee. What is the first employee? Sunny. So read a particular employee. EMP equal to model name dot objects dot a particular employee id equal to 1, emp dot e number 101, emp dot e name Sunny. So one employee we are getting it. Print emp, one employee object we are getting. This employee object is nothing but this one complex data type model instance. I want to convert to this. You no need to do anything. Pass this object to this class, employee serializer class. It will take care. ఇది ఒక జస్ట్ వేరియబుల్ ఈ serializer, not a keyword. Employee serializer inside you can pass emp converted. ఇక్కడ any variable you can use. Okay, in this the attribute is their data. Data is the fixed attribute ఇదిగోండి which is converted to your dictionary. emp is a one object, name number salary. ఇదిగోండి emp అనేది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్. That object converted to one dictionary. Who is responsible? This class. This class is available into this module. That is the specialty of serializer class. This total thing will be taken care by this person, parent class. So automatically I converted. Now I want to converted this dictionary to JSON. How to convert? That is, first of all, open Python shell. Going to be steps how to convert them. Then I will convert to programming. In Atom I will write present individual steps. I am telling how to write into Atom. I will show. So it is not serialization. Just the employee object converted to dict. Dict to JSON if you converted, then that is called as So first process done. One EMP object, this object converted to dictionary. Dictionary I want to convert to JSON. How to convert? Python native type, nothing but dictionary to JSON. How to convert this dictionary to JSON data? So in REST framework, there is one module is there. Inside module, there is one class is there. Okay. See, in Atom, we will get the suggestions. That's why I'm using here observe. From REST underscore framework. Module names, class names will come suggestions. Framework dot. The module name is renderers. Import. The class name is JSON renderer. They are given the read line. Renderer which serializes to JSON data. This is a class. For this class, you can pass dictionary as an object. Okay, cut this. Come to the here. Paste it. From REST underscore framework. Okay, done. In that class, one variable JSON data equal to the class name. For this class, create object. In this, you can use render function. Inside, you can pass value. What is the value? Serializer data is a one dictionary. This dictionary kada, this total thing. This dictionary I am passing as an argument to this function. Then the dictionary converted to JSON data. Print the JSON data. This is dictionary. Previously, both are same or not same? This is the dictionary, key value pairs. Ikkada chudandi, B with, okay, that is the meaning of this one. JSON data, not a dictionary. This is the manual conversion. దీన్ని Atom lo how to convert, I will explain. And that is the JSON data. ఇది ఒక సింగిల్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని ఐఎమ్ కన్వర్టింగ్ టు JSON. One object to JSON. If multiple are there, then how to convert? How to perform serialization for query set? అంటే multiple objects. In this table, 4 employees are there. 4 I want to converted. Four I want to converted at a time. Go to here. How to read single employee? Employee.objects.get of ID single employee. I am passing argument to this class. Same. How to read all employees? Query set equal to model name dot all. All employees we are getting. Now you need to pass ఈ serializer. ఇందాక ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ, ఇప్పుడు క్వెరీ సెట్ కామా మెనీ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్రూ కన్వర్టెడ్. హౌ టు గెట్ ద డేటా? వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ డాట్ డేటా ఇస్ ద అట్రిబ్యూట్. ఇదిగోండి ఆర్డర్డ్ డిక్షనరీ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టుపుల్స్ నెంబర్ నేమ్ salary address. Ordered dictionary list of tuples second dictionary third one fourth one. This is a dictionary I want to convert it to. Okay, now what I was doing is imported JSON renderer. The T-serializer data I am passing into this one and print the JSON. All converted to the B with key value pairs. First dictionary, second JSON data, third one, fourth one. Like that we have to convert it. Output not required. I am deleting. Okay, just to commands you can write. Output you have to check it. That's the story. Employee.objects.all. Give that query set to employee serializer class. If you ask dot data, it will print all the values. JSON data you can pass. So serialization means here Python complex data types we are converted to Python native data type like dict to JSON data. This total thing. So first time converted one object to dictionary, then this object to JSON. That is serialization concept in the REST API. Next, deserialization. Converting Python dictionary to complex type. Back process. One dictionary I can convert it to model instance, that is deserialization. This JSON data can be forwarded by partner application. Nothing but what is our partner application? Test.py Python file. ఇక్కడ నుంచి we are getting JSON data. This one convert to Python dictionary, convert to database, insert to database. That process is called as deserialization process. The process of converting Python native data types like dict into database supported complex types model instance or query set called as deserialization concept. Converting JSON to Python data type. And first time receiving JSON data that I want to convert to Python dictionary to object. So now JSON data I received, this one I want to convert to Python dict. So come to here observe suggestions are coming, okay. Import IO is the module. IO is one module available there. From rest underscore framework dot parsers is the module. Import is going JSON parser. This is the class. Now IO module contain one class. The class name is bytes IO. It is a one class. In this class, create object, pass your JSON data. It is converted to streamline. This stream I have to pass to Python data. Class name, object, dot, parse is the function. Parser is the function. Inside you can pass stream. What is the stream? Just know. This is conversion process. So this is the module, this is the class. Whatever JSON data I am receiving from partner application, I am passing to bytesize, it is converted to one stream. That stream I am given to parse. Then it is a one Python data type, Python dictionary. ఇప్పుడు once this Python data I want to convert it to model instance, that is deserialization. We have to convert Python data to database supported complex type. So what is the class name? Serializer equal to our class ఉంది కదా predefined class employee serializer. It will take care data equal to your Python data. That serializer will do everything. Then dot, if it is valid, serializer dot, the attribute is validated underscore data. ఇందాక data is the attribute, ఇప్పుడు validated data is the attribute. These are fixed words. Then it is converted database complex. So finally గా ఇప్పుడు by using partner application I want to read the data. Because database లో 4 records are there. First command get. I want to get a particular record or else all records. Once I want to read to partner application, ఇవి database models complex type. First convert this one to dictionary. Okay, that is called a serialization. ఈ dictionary నుంచి you have to convert to JSON, display to the console. Will take care by, I will write code in test.py file. Because database నుంచి I will convert to dictionary, dictionary to JSON, JSON to I display to the console. లేదు, I want to insert one record, 4 records ఉన్నాయి. I want to insert one record. అయ్యో. Then the method is post method. At that time, where I am sending data, test.py నుంచి. Test.py నుంచి I am sending. Python means it is a Python dictionary. This Python dictionary I want to, అంటే test.py నుంచి I have to send JSON. This JSON to Python dict, this to database model. Then only record inserted successfully into 105 record. This process is called as deserialization process. So now serialization and partner application. Partner application means are always test.py. Partner application wants all employee records in JSON format. Ante in the database, whatever records are there, I want to read, display in the JSON. First, you have to read all employees, nothing but query set converted to your Python native data type. That is serialization process. Once it is done, this Python native data type 2, I have to convert it to JSON data. How? JSON renderer render method. The first case. And I am reading data from the database, query set, converted to Python dictionary. That concept is called as serialization. Python data type to JSON by using that class render method. Second, reverse process. Partner application sending JSON data to create a new employee. Then partner application passing JSON data, common format. First I have to convert this one to Python. It is not deserialization. How to do? By using JSON parser parse method. It is not deserialization. Python native data type to complex type means database supported complex form. This is deserialization process. That is the serialization and deserialization. Very, very important question. This one in entire REST API. What is serialization and deserialization? Put my first query is, I want to read a single record or all records and display to the console by using the test.py file. Partner application, because DJANGO application is ready. From there, I want to read the data. Now, partner application is nothing but test.py. So in your views, create test.py file. Go to here, left side, this is the project app, okay. This one, create one file, Python file, any name you can give, test.py. From here, I want to send the request. So here, import, the module name is request. I have to create one function, get underscore resource. If ID equal to none, default parameter I am passing. If you are passing ID value, then one record. If you are not passing ID value, ID will become none, all records. What is our base URL and endpoint? ఇది base URL. ఇంకా endpoint I am not defined కాబట్టి I will give endpoint. API JSON CBV. Simple గా API అని ఇవ్వండి endpoint bus. Okay? Now, ఇది without rest. ఇది with rest. Then now, data equal to, what is the type of data? Dictionary. Because this data I am passing to the views.py. Suppose if ID I am not passing anything, by default none, data is empty dictionary. Now if I am passing any data, if ID is not none, update your dictionary with whatever value you are passing, that one, ID colon ID. Because this is the method. For example, after a declaration, I am calling method get resource. I am not passing anything. So what is the ID value? None. Then data will become empty. I want first record. Then one I am passing. One will become ID. Then this data will be updated with one. So this method will be decided empty dictionary na value na. Now response equal to module name dot get command base URL plus endpoint comma. I want to send the data equal to JSON is the module. JSON module. Because data is the Python dictionary. I want to convert that one to one command is there, dumps of your data. Now print response dot status codes. Every response have status code 100, 200, 3, 4, 500. What about those? Response dot JSON. ఇదిగోండి ప్రీవియస్ ఫైల్ కోడ్ ఓన్లీ. ఇదిగోండి ఐ ప్రొవైడెడ్ డిలీట్ కదా, అక్కడ గెట్ కమాండ్ బేస్ యుఆర్ఎల్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ రెస్పాన్స్ డాట్ జేసన్. ఐ ప్రింటెడ్ ద డేటా. సేమ్ స్టోరీ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ రిటర్న్. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ పాసింగ్ గెట్ రిసోర్స్ మెథడ్ ఆల్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ వన్ రికార్డ్. ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ పాసింగ్ వన్, ఓన్లీ వన్ రికార్డ్. 3, third record. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ పాసింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఐడి విల్ బికమ్ నన్. ID is not none kada, not valid, only empty dictionary. This dictionary I am passing to data to the views.py file. Views lo we have to write our code. Now if I run the test.py file, this method is calling. Once this method is calling, this base URL endpoint, I am sending some data to my views.py file. That is empty dictionary na, or else a particular record. Empty dictionary aithe all records. A particular record aithe that record I want to display in the console. So the test.py is the partner application. Once I run this, it will goes to this IP address, go to so and so function. Now, for example, here I am passing get resource of 5 fifth record unda 1 2 3 4 kada sare 1 annam. Then 1 will be passing as an argument to here. This data will be added with ID with 1. This data I am passing as a JSON data to application converted. This data will be passing to views.py. If I am passing a value, that particular record. If I am not passing any value, then all records I want to display. The concept main. 1 I am passing. Go to the views.py file. Views. Take a class employee crud cbv. Create retro update. The first do the class. So where it is available from DJANGO dot views lo kaadu kada generic import the parent class is view. This is the parent class, that is my child class. First overridden method is get method def get. First argument self, second argument request, third fourth are optional star arguments, kw arguments. Now whatever data you are sending from the partner application, this one, how to read this data means, request.body. Request.body. The partner application provide data stored into this one. Am I getting JSON data or no? You go to test.py. This is normal dictionary, empty dictionary or key, but this dictionary I am passing to JSON.dumps converted to JSON data. Go to the views. Once I am sending JSON data, this JSON data I want to convert it to Python dictionary. ఇప్పుడు come to our process. ఇదిగోండి ఇది ప్రాసెస్. Python dictionary ఇదిగోండి JSON to Python dictionary. After that Python dictionary to we have to convert it to the database supported format. This is the process. Now IO import IO is the module. IO dot bytes IO is the class. Inside I want to pass JSON data. It is converted to a stream. This stream I can pass to JSON parser class. From REST_framework dot parsers import JSON parser. This stream converted to Python dictionary. JSON parser dot parse of stream. It is a Python data. And in the whatever we are telling, JSON to Python dictionary. Now what is the Python dictionary? This one. This Python dictionary. ఇందులో key is available, not available? Yes, available. One I am passing కాబట్టి data content dictionary. From that dictionary you can read the value. How to read the value? Python dictionary dot get is the command. ID. If ID is available, read that ID. Otherwise return none. So first one, request.body. It is coming from the data. Empty dictionary na value na decided by this method. Already value is there data. Get of ID. What is the ID? One ID I am passing. That one I am reading here is going to Python dictionary get ID one is available. Read that employee. ఇంక నుంచి ప్రాసెస్ ఇదిగోండి ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇదిగోండి ఎంప్లాయీ డాట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ గెట్ ఆఫ్ ఐడి pass this employee to the employee serializer class. From there to read the data. Print the values. Same process here I am doing. How to get a particular employee? If ID is not none, read the employee. Employee dot objects dot get ID equal to ID you can pass. A particular employee I am reading. Import statement from test app dot models import employee. Once employee object is ready, this employee object I am passing to the serializer class. And same copy serializer class I am passing. Where is that serializer class? From test app dot serializers import employee serializer class. Once it is converted, now it is one dictionary. This one convert to JSON. How to converted that one? ఇది JSON renderer కదా ఇదిగో copy. Import statement is required. Then previously command prompt I executed. Now here directly I am provided. Copy this, paste it. So one employee object I am reading, complex data type, converted to serializer, this Python dictionary to converted to JSON data. Send this one to the end user. Return. I want to send HTTP response from DJANGO dot HTTP import HTTP response. In this response, inside you can pass, what can I pass? JSON data, comma, content type equal to application by JSON. What is the status code? If everything goes fine, status code is 200. For example, if ID is not none aithe this code, for example, test.py, I am not passing any ID. Then what is ID value? None. If ID none aithe, this total code is not executed. The meaning is we have to read all employees. How to read all employees? Employee dot objects dot all. Go to the query set. Second process చెప్పాం కదా, how to do all employees. ఇది ఇదిగోండి query set. This query set I am passing to eSerializer and convert this to all employees to query set. Once eSerializer is there, convert to JSON data. Same previous story. Send this response. ఇది view. So first get method we are overriding. Reading data from partner application, JSON data. This JSON data convert to Python dictionary. From the dictionary get method ID. If ID is not none, single record. If ID is none, all records converted to this serializer, JSON and forwarded. If views key you have to define one URL. Go to urls.py. The URL address is API because I'm given there API. Views dot employee CRUD CBV. The class based view kabatti as underscore view. From test app import first see partner application with REST py test.py. Once I am running this Python file, first cursor will goes to test.py. Get a resource of 1. 1 I am passing. ID will become 1. So if ID is not none, your data Python dictionary ID with 1 value is there. This dictionary converted to JSON passing to the views. Now come to here. Request.body. One JSON data I am getting. That JSON data converted to stream Python dictionary. I am the ID. Yes, ID there. What is the ID? 1. If ID is not none, read single record, converted, display, send. I am getting 1 record as a response. If everything goes fine, gone. What is the error? Request is not defined. Ante request S is the module. Agandi. Which line? Name error request is not defined. Request dot body. Line number 12 in get method on taboo. అదేంటి request s dot get base URL endpoint data equal to json.dumps import json. This Python dictionary I forwarded. If id is not none, data equal to id. One I am passing converted to JSON data. JSON dumps. Get resource of one rest.json 500. 500 means server side problem. What is the problem? Server side. Sir, by using status code, we have to tell idigondi. They are telling what is this 500 means database side problem, server side problem. Admin panel lo ID ఉంది కదా 1 ఇంకేంటి బాధ. ఆహా పని చేద్దాం. First testing purpose. I'm not provided any ID, then all empty. ఇప్పుడు కూడా సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. తనకి ఎక్కడో తేడా కొడుతుంది ఇది. JSON underscore data name error request is not defined. Internal server error API. JSON parser employee serializer JSON reader HTTP response. Employee సారీ ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్. ఎస్ పడింది. నా అక్కడ ఎస్ పడింది ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఇదిగోండి 200 is the success code, 500 is the database server, all employees I am reading. Go to partner application test.py, send one, only one record it is getting. First record Sunny. So whatever ID you are passing here 3, third record you are getting. Winnie. A particular record is one record. If I'm not given anything, all records. That is the get method. So, this is third party application. How it is accessing because of this API. Serializers and all the things are there. Otherwise, not possible to access third party application by Django. అది చిన్న స్మాల్ ఎస్ పడింది ఎక్స్ట్రా. In this program, maximum all are import statements more. Programming just 2-3 lines only. Import statements ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో. So like that, how to send the partner application. Particular record అయితే record, multiple అయితే you don't send anything, all we are getting. This is URLs. Next, post method. Post means I have to create the record inside database. So insertion means again I am sending dictionary. JSON to Python dictionary to database model, insert, deserialization process. Post method. For this, we have to override one method is there, create method inside serializer class. So go to the serializers.py file. Okay, come to views, serializers. After address, def, create is the method, self, validated data. Because it is one complex data type, we will convert it. I want to insert model name dot objects dot create star validated underscore data. Key value pairs added to your dictionary. This total take care by parent class. In this class, create method is there, we are overriding. What is validated data? Just now somewhere else we are using that validated data. Once we are converted to complex type, that I want to add it to this one. So serializers.py. After all fields, we have to use the create method. Who is responsible to send the data? Test.py is the responsible to send the record. So here 4 records are there, 101, 102, 3, 4. I want to insert fifth record by test.py file, not manually. Here I want to send a record. Comment this. My method is def create underscore resource. Now take one employee dictionary, new EMP. Employee number 105. Employee name. Employee salary 19,000. Employee address. So this is one dictionary, but if you want to send data, compulsory you can pass JSON data only. Convert this dictionary. This is the common response, status code, and resp.json. And comment it. But here the method is, what is the method? Post method. Instead of data, what is the dictionary name? New EMP. Now call the method. What is the method? Create resource method. This is the partner application code. This is test.py. Once I run this file, I have to insert this 105 record to the database. So this dictionary converted to JSON, I am forwarded to this URL API. So view is the responsible. Convert this JSON data to Python dictionary to database model form and inserted to there. Compulsory we have to disable CSRF token. The last class we discussed to disable that one, then only record inserted, otherwise no chance. So who is responsible? Views.py file is the responsible.